Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Walnut Creek Middle School, home of the Hawks in West Bloomfield Township, Michigan, part of the Walled Lake Public School District, and it's an honor to be back here. It's been years since I got to share my heart with students prior to the current 6th, 7th, and 8th graders, but today I did get to reach all of them here in the gym. 3 separate assemblies, one for 6th, one for 7th, one for 8th, all on the same topic though, bullying, and the sub-theme being, look at the heart first, right? Our heart's as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, right? Heart as big as our fist, but if we let love, compassion, all that enter, you can turn it into peace, which is one finger for ourselves, the other for someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself, but how you choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also 2, because in just 2 seconds, 1, 2, 1 breath, 1 heartbeat, 1 word, 1 action, 2 seconds, we can do or say something so kind that it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever, or conversely say something so mean that it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life, right? So we can turn one of the biggest reasons that bullying happens, which is hurt people who hurt people, into healed people who heal people. And there were some tears after the assemblies, a lot of students sharing their hearts with me about being bullied or how somebody stood up for them and now they want to stand up for somebody else. And that was beautiful, you know, just to hear that they're starting to heal and they're starting to feel, and they start to understand their power to be able to make a difference, right? All of us have that power. And we also know that we cannot just look at someone's heart first, but also be able to, you know, see us for who we are, right? To appreciate who we are. And that starts with this concept. I bring this up in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. That M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt, upside down W's for Walnut Creek. Just kidding, for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, because a lot of students I speak to, sometimes they've never been told that, sometimes they've forgotten that, and we can be the light to their heart if we choose to. So thanks for touching my heart. You're all beautiful. Keep shining that light. Keep treating people the way that you want to be treated, right? That golden rule that you talk about every day here at your school. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below if you want some additional motivation, or feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.